In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down folder in your website's main navigation inside Chrome. To get started, open the Pages panel or the Website panel depending on how your workspace is labeled. This is where your site structure is managed, and it's also where you control what appears in the navigation menu. If your goal is to organize several pages under one heading in the main menu, this is the place to do it. Once you're inside that panel, look for the plus icon next to the main navigation headers. This plus button is used to add a new item to your navigation structure. Go ahead and click it, and a list of available element types will appear. From that drop-down menu, choose Folder. Selecting Folder creates a parent navigation item, which is useful when you want multiple related pages to sit neatly under one main heading instead of appearing as separate top-level links. After adding the folder, you'll need to name it. Enter the folder title text you want visitors to see in the navigation bar. Choose a title that clearly describes the group of pages it will contain, since this helps keep your menu clean and easy to understand. A clear label also improves the overall browsing experience for your site visitors. Next, take the existing page titles that you want to place inside this folder and drag them underneath the new folder block. As you move them, watch carefully for the indentation. You want each page to shift slightly to the right under the folder, because that visual indent confirms the pages are now nested inside it. If a page does not indent, it may still be sitting at the top level, so take a moment to reposition it until the structure looks correct. This drag and indent action is what creates the multi-level menu behavior. In other words, the folder becomes the main navigation heading, and the indented pages become the items that appear beneath it in the dropdown. Once everything is arranged the way you want, preview the main menu bar to make sure the multi-level functionality is working properly. In preview mode, check that the folder title appears in the navigation and that the nested pages display correctly when the menu is opened or hovered over, depending on how your site is set up. If everything looks good, then your navigation is now more organized and easier for visitors to use. That's it for the setup, and you're all set with a cleaner, multi-level main menu.